And of course, if you're not edging with an edger, you can use a residential weed trimmer. Let me grab a battery here. And I don't know if you can notice with the camera, but when you spin it, it's going clockwise. With it going clockwise means to edge with it, all you have to do, turn it upside down, walk forwards. And when you're edging with a Steel or Echo or any other kind of commercial weed trimmer, then you have to walk backwards to get it to edge. So I love that about the residential, and so do a lot of the guys. Now, I'll show you, for instance, here's a commercial. And the commercial, of course, has a very cool look. Carbon fiber. It's awesome, awesome machine. But put a battery in it. And it's got a little screen there. You can change the speed to whatever speed you want. So we'll put on the lowest setting right now. But you notice it spins counterclockwise. So you're going to be back to the same edging backwards if you're using this for commercial as opposed to residential. Something else